So yes, my people, today we are going to make you some curry goat. It's my first. Yes, my people, so today I'm going to make you guys some curry goat. This is the first time I'm going to make a curry goat. I'm going to show you the real authentic curry goat. So I have my goat seasoned up already. It's marinating. I season it with total seasoning, garlic powder, a little Jack Daniel seasoning. I'm gonna put all-purpose seasoning there later. And and curry, the Jamaican curry. Here you go, Jamaican curry. But now, this is the trick. I burn my curry first, so I'm gonna put I have a little oil in my pot, so I'm gonna burn my curry. Put my curry to burn, along with garlic. I'm burning my curry with garlic. I'm gonna jump right into it because I already prepped some of my stuff. So I'm burning my curry with garlic in a little oil, a grease. And then after this burn, until you get the color, then I'm gonna put my chicken, not my chicken, but my curry goat. My goat meat, I'm gonna put it in there. And then I'm gonna blend my coconut milk while it's taking a little simmer. Okay? So now my curry is burned. It is burned, as you can see, my garlic. It has a brown color, which that is good. I'm not gonna keep the brown garlic inside. I'm gonna take the garlic out. And then I'm gonna just put my goat meat into the grease only. So I'm taking out all my garlic. I just want it to burn to get the flavor. So this, I took all my brown garlic out. I'm gonna put my goat meat in there. I cut my goat meat in some small chunks, if you can notice. There's some small chunks. I haven't have a big piece in there. It's just some small chunks. Some small chunks. It's all small. See that? All small chunks. Just a little bite size. And I'm gonna just mix my curry until my goat until they all get the curry. Okay? So this is a Mother's Day treat for the mothers. All the mothers out there. In the meantime, while it's getting this, I'm gonna go ahead and blend my coconut. Oh! That's okay. Yeah, So yes, my people, so I'm putting my coconut milk into that. That's my coconut milk I'm adding to my goat meat, because the goat meat take a good while to cook. So I'm gonna cover it down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my seasoning up. I'm gonna cut up my ground seasoning. So my people, I have 2 carrots, I have 1 bell pepper, I have a habanero, I have scallion, thyme, and garlic. That is it for my curry. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop up my carrot. I'm going to chop up some scallion. I'm going to chop up a bell pepper. And I'm going to cut up my habanero. Last but not least, my garlic. And I have my thyme. I'm going to put 1 onion. So I'm gonna add my thyme and my brown seasoning. It's my bell pepper and my garlic. All the ingredients I cut up. I'm gonna add a little more seasoning, a little more garlic powder, and a little more total seasoning. It's about half a teaspoon, you're just sprinkling. It's about half a teaspoon, it's not a lot. And I'm gonna add my all-purpose, Maggi all-purpose. That is it, my people. And I'm gonna cover it down and let it cook. It's gonna take a long, at least 45 minutes before it cooks. But I'm gonna cover it down and add a little more coconut milk here and there for it to cook. Okay. That is it, my people. I'm just adding a little water. My curry goat is coming on really good. It still need another 20 more minutes to cook for the meat to boil. Goat meat is a little bit harder to cook than normal meat, so. See that? It's coming on. My goat meat can cook properly, and that's gonna be it, my people, when it's cooked. All right, you see it's making its own gravy, so give it another 20 minutes, my people, and then that's gonna be it. So yes, my people, so now my peas is halfway cooked, so I'm about to season it up. First thing, I'm gonna pour my coconut milk inside. That's my blended coconut milk. I'm gonna put some thyme. I'm gonna put a habanero. And I'm gonna put some chopped green onion. I'm gonna add a large chunk of butter. a large chunk of butter. Also, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. This is about 1 teaspoon of salt to 1 quart. You don't need more than 1 teaspoon of salt to 1 quart. I have my Maggi cube right here. 1 Maggi cube. 1 Maggi cube. I'm seasoning up this for my rice. 1 Maggi cube. I just crush it and drop it. And I always add 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. 1 teaspoon brown sugar. And I let that boil for 5 minutes, or just for the coconut milk to get a little boil, and then I'm going to put my rice into it. Stay tuned. So yes, my people, so this is 5 minutes later. I washed my rice already and my coconut milk is boiling, so I'm gonna just add my rice. I'm gonna add my rice to my coconut milk and peas. Okay. If you notice, it's only about half an inch. The rice is about half an inch underneath the water. The water is only about half an inch above it, okay? And we're gonna keep it on a low flame and let it steam. Okay, we're gonna steam rice and peas. Okay, all right. Peas is really easy to cook. You just have to have the peas. You can either pre-cook the peas, or you can buy the canned peas if you don't have the patience to cook the peas. But I like to boil my peas because I get all the nutrient out of the peas, and no chemical is not in my food. Okay, so stay tuned. It's gonna be like 15 to 20 minutes for my rice to cook. I'm gonna cover it down and leave it there to steam. Now I'm checking on my goat meat. Okay, my goat meat is coming on, but it's take a while to cook. But every 20 minutes I just mix it up and make sure it's cooking evenly. Okay, all right, that is it, my people. I see you in another 20 minutes. Happy Mother's Day. It's a Mother's Day treat for the Mother's Day. Yes, my people, so this is a minute later. 2 minutes later, you see how much my rice up there? All I need to do is to add a little bit more water. I'm just gonna add a little bit more water and cover it down with a file paper. When I cover it down with a file paper, then it's gonna just steam. That is it, my people. So this is the way how you steam rice. You see that? It's gonna get full. It's gonna just get full. Look at that. I'm just gonna get a file paper now and just cover it over it and cover it down for 15 minutes. And that's gonna be the rice. I'm just gonna cover it down with a file paper and put the lid on it. The file paper is to trap. The file paper is to trap all the heat, the steam inside, so the rice can get to steam. And it also keep it on a very low flame. So that is it, my people. So upon checking my curry, it still needs a few more minutes, so I'm still giving it another 15 minutes until my curry is totally cooked, okay? This is gonna be epic. You see that nice thick gravy what it has already? Okay. See you in 15 more minutes, my people. Mothers who ready to eat? All the mothers who are ready to eat, the food is gonna be ready in 20 minutes, okay?
Wow, that's great.
Yes, so I'm making food for the mothers, only for the mothers. You're not gonna get any, I'm sorry.
For me?
Yes, you're not gonna get any, even though you'll be... So yes, my people, so this is the final of my curry goat. My curry goat is now cooked. It's ready to serve. I'm going to make my salad, a coleslaw, Jamaican style, and then I will be right back with you, okay? So this is how we do curry goat, Jamaican curry goat. I catch you in a bit. In a little bit I catch you. Yes, my people, so I'm gonna make some coleslaw, Jamaican way. The Jamaican, so this is how we do it in Jamaica. We use the grater and we use this side here for the cabbage. This is how my mother would be doing it. Because today's Mother's Day, so I'm doing it Mama's way. So we're making coleslaw, okay? Now the bell pepper. You don't want to get the bell pepper seed in there, so you just do the outer part of it. Usher, and I just mix it up together like that. Then I'm gonna grab a cup and I'm gonna put just a little bit of honey and a little bit of mayonnaise and a little bit of vinegar. Stay tuned, let me get those. So this is my vinegar and this is my honey. I put my honey into my vinegar. 2 teaspoons of vinegar to 2 teaspoons of honey. And 2 teaspoons of milk. If it's not thick enough, you can add another teaspoon of mayo. But for now, we add in 2 teaspoons.
Okay, now let me take a... Hold it very slowly and take a bite.
It's done. tell a friend. To tell a friend. To like, share, and subscribe. If you like what I'm doing, drop a comment down below. We appreciate the support. Thank you. Peace out.